Tired of fumbling with your phone number or email every time someone wants to Zelle you money? Well, say hello to the magic of Zelle QR codes, your secret weapon for quick and easy payments. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to find your unique Zelle QR code, whether you're using the Zelle app or your bank's mobile app, making receiving money a breeze. First, let's check if your bank has Zelle integrated into their app. Open your banking app and look for options like Send Money with Zelle, or something similar. The wording can vary, so take a quick scan of your home screen or the menu, tap on it when you find it. Once you're in the Zelle section, look for a QR code icon. This might be labeled My QR Code, Receive, or simply a QR code symbol. It's usually located in a prominent spot, either on the main screen or within the settings. Tap on that icon. Voila! Your Zelle QR code should now be displayed. You'll typically see options to share it directly through text, email, or other apps, or even download it as an image to save it for later. Tap Share. Now, if you're using the standalone Zelle app, the process is just as simple. Open the Zelle app on your phone, look for a profile icon, settings menu, or a receive button. It is usually on the bottom of the screen. Within the settings or profile section, find an option specifically labeled My QR Code or something similar, like Receive Payments via QR Code. Tap on it. And there it is. Your Zelle QR code is ready to be shared. Just like with the banking app, you can typically share it directly or download it, so ditch the hassle of sharing your phone number and embrace the simplicity of Zelle QR codes.